How to make the light trails effect. Today's video is sponsored by my new girlfriend, Anita. Duplicate the part of the clip you want to apply the effect and bring it on top of the other. Select the top clip, and go to the color page. Go to the Magic Mask tab, activate the toggle mask overlay, and draw a line on your subject. You can set the quality to better, but this is up to your computer's power. Go frame by frame, and when you finish the mask, right-click in the nodes window, and add an alpha output. Connect the blue dot to it and go back to the edit page. Right-click to your top clip and select Open in Fusion page. To clean up the edges of your mask, just add a mask paint node to your clip. Go to the Mask tab, check the invert box, and start drawing on the edges to clean them up. Go frame by frame, and when you've finished after some days, add a Merge node. Bring the Echo node in empty space. For this you need to install the Reactor plugin and activate the Echo tool. Connect your media to the Echo node, and drag it to the left viewer. Set the Echo frame to 12. Change the end frame to the number of your frames. Move the center position a bit to the right, and set the Apply mode to Lighten. Add a blur node after, uncheck the Lock XY box, and increase the X blur size. Add a color corrector node, choose a color that you like, increase the gain slider, and connect it to the Merge node. Select the Merge node, hold down Command and T, to change the background foreground mode. Add a Transform node after the color corrector and move your trails a bit to the side. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, who cares? I have better things to do.